SWP, new production equipment has been installed, waiting for commissioning. The new equipment has a higher degree of automation, higher production precision, and higher production efficiency. We look forward to continuous cooperation with every friend who is committed to making new energy products. And we also hope to work with our friends to work together and develop together to build a community with a shared future for mankind. If you would like to discuss with us the technical issues related to the product, you are also welcome to contact or leave a message to us.